I have a Lamona 8601 dishwasher, and it is not cleaning the dishes properly. The top rotating arm doesn't go round. Is this the problem? Any suggestions, please? I have a Lamona 8601 dishwasher, and it is not cleaning properly. The top rotating arm does not go round. Is that the problem?
Are there any error codes or blinking lights on your Lamona dishwasher? How old is it?
No, it is about 6 to 7 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Lamona dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
About a couple of weeks. I've cleaned rotating arms, filter and inside dishwasher.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The mugs especially still show tea/coffee marks, dishes show food still, and this is after soaking them in sink. I did try adding a few jugs of water on the cycle to see if it had enough water going in, but made no difference to the rotating top arm. Haven't replaced this top arm yet.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily.
Thank you.
If the top arm isn't turning during the wash, then it's more than likely the issue here with the poor wash results. Now open the door and pull out the top basket. Look at the spray under the basket and you will see the tube running along the drawer towards the back. So when you push the drawer back in, the tube pushes into the bracket at the very back. Check this and see if it's lining up in there, as if it doesn't, then the water doesn't go through the tube into the spray arm. But if that's fine and it does line up, then follow the tube at the back to where it goes to the sump just behind the filters, and check this is fully seated into place as well. If all that is fine, then it may be down to a faulty top arm which will need to be replaced. But check the rest first, as a lot of the time it's the bracket at the back which the top arm pushes into that's the fault, as it warps and doesn't line up with the arm on the top basket.
Okay, thanks, we'll look now.
No worries.
Okay, I've gone through each of those steps and didn't work. I even manually pushed the top tube into the bracket at the back. It looked and felt secure, but arm didn't rotate. Is the next step to buy a new top rotating arm?
Okay, if that's all okay, then I assume the water pressure is good from the wash motor. If so, then it's looking like the top arm is faulty. Just a thought though, all the holes are clear on the top arm, isn't it?
I cleaned these out and blew through holes to check.
Okay, in that case, then it's looking like the arm is faulty.
Okay, I'll get a new one delivered and give it a go. Only about £12, so worth a stab. Thanks again for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.